I did the assignment you sent me, and I'm going to quickly overview that. It's basically a Next.js app, and I use TypeScript and Chakra UI to build this. And you said that you want something to type a query and for Google Books API and show the author, title, publishing company, and here it is. And its title, if they have authors, it will list them, and if they have publishing company, it will also show them. So, for example, it's Walter Isaacson Simon, and yeah, and after that, a user should select the book from File Display to save to reading list and view reading list with all books selected. So you can add the reading list like this, and you see the reading list will increase. C plus example, and yeah, and this is also a helper button, and I have added this loading placeholder to make it more beautiful. So then you can go to the reading list section, and you could see your reading list. You can remove from reading list, and you can go back to search. I try to make it pretty responsive too, but yeah, basically is I'm going to go over code for fast, and let me show you the code. Okay. Okay, the code basically it's the next app, and I have two main pages, and an index page and reading list page. There's a folder for components, and I have 5 main components: book input, book item placeholder, which is the placeholder that is not very smart, reading list header, and search header. So the query from Google API comes from here, and I have added a file called types, which I only had one specific type that I was using everywhere. That was book. That it's here. There is a utils file, which is going to be used for caching data permanently. For example, this reading list is stored on local storage, so it will persist. So if I refresh the page, this data still exists, and which the logic is implemented here in this reading list context, and it will provide me the states and the context and helper functions, and it will handle local storage and other stuffs. I also use another hook called use books, which handle the searching things and storing books and loading stuffs here, which makes my page logic a lot nicer. For example, in the home page, I only call this use books hook, and I get search a string, set search a string, books loading, and this reading list context is also pretty handy, which I need to use it in both pages, both home page and the reading list page. Here, reading list, I'm using that context, and also here in book item which is used in both pages too. The this component is the same as this component. So yeah, it's book item component. I try to make it TypeScript types pretty much everywhere, and yeah, I guess that I could do some more abstraction over here, these header components, and even here I could make it a bit nicer, but I think for a 2-page app, this abstraction is more than enough. Let me know what do you think. Thank you.